data modeling professional. Becoming a data modeling professional involves the complete hands-on implementation level knowledge on data modeling activities for OLTP, data warehouse, dimensional modeling, relational modeling, lakehouse, one lake, as well as big data architecture. This is your Sai Panindra from SQL School. Over 2 decades, I have been helping lakhs of participants to groom their database platform skill set. In this short video, let's understand why data modeling is so important for us. Every database needs a proper stabilized design. We have something called conceptual model, logical model, and also something called physical model. The conceptual, logical, and physical models together form a stable and mature database. You take a live OLTP database or even a data warehouse database, a OLAP database, a HTAP database, a data lake, lakehouse, delta lake, one lake, any kind of big data platform, this data modeling is always there. Data modeling is not about just planning the design of the database. It is all about the actual technical implementation. It gives us the specific definition of the time to time, entity to entity, attribute to attribute, meaningful data stack. Data modeling helps us a lot in ensuring the stable design of databases and also meaningful naming conventions. It involves, with the help of certain rules and techniques, this data modeling helps us, and it involves the relational database activities. You talk about facts, you hear about dimensions, where they come from. Yes, it's all about the data modeling activities we should look at. Without data model, I must say the database design may be unstable. Without data model, the actual database design may change over time. That may surely disturb or distract the overall end-to-end implementation for a platform solution. So data engineers, database administrators, senior database developers, data architects, data platform engineers, solution architects, anyone need to have the master skill set on data modeling. What more you are waiting for? Sign up for a free demo. Let's understand more about my complete practical approach to data modeling activities with 100% hands-on. Let's understand more about our data modeling skill set and the necessity for our level up activities. See you in my actual live class. Thank you so much. See you there. Bye-bye. Thank you.